First of all, this is the best thing that I ever get to do as a judge, and come back here to Bowling Green where the community is so welcoming, and scheduling wise it's usually right after the election, and it's sort of a time of reflecting on everything that the election means, but also the fact that we really do share more things in common. There's more that brings us together than separates us, and I look forward to it every year for an opportunity to do that.
It's a lot, The United States is everything to us, the land of opportunity here and there. I came here for education, and now I'm pursuing my career. Then after I want to be like industrial hygienist, so I'm now doing my MSOH, occupational health, in UT, and also MPH, EPI. It's like it's a consortium with UT and BG.
I can finally be recognized as a legal citizen, and you kind of reflect on everything that we've had to gone through to get to this point. It means a lot. It's unexplainable. I was so excited when I got the news that I was going to be able to do it here on campus. I've only been here for a little over a year, and that just makes me feel more connected and more included to the campus. And so it would always be a special moment for me. So it's awesome. Mom and Dad, they became citizens today as well. We did our processes separately, but we were lucky enough to be able to go through this moment together. So I'm very excited.